In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a Shopify discount coupon, let's say. So quite simple. Here on the Shopify dashboard, we have discounts. So let's click on discounts here. And then here I already have some discounts. Only one is active and the other one are expired. But then I'm going to click on here. Please click on here. Click on create discounts. And then here we have few discounts available, amount of products we can buy X get Y. I'm going to create this one discount here, but you also have other options here with amount of order, discount the total order amount, offer free shipping on an order. But I'm gonna start with this one first, so I'm just gonna click on it, and then here discount code, automatic discount, but I'm just gonna click on generate random code. Why not? But it's good to really add your own custom code related to your store or something like that. And then a customer buys here quantity, let's say one specific products, and then customer gets another products, whatever, let's say. And then the percentage at a discount value of maybe 56 or 50, 45% or 49 or 99 or whatever, 30, 39%, no, 39, yeah. Amount or even free. What if not free? And then here this should be about till like this, and then I can click on save discount. And sorry, search for product. Let's search for the product. I only have two testing products, and now I can save this discount not created. Well, why? Because I didn't select the product. What? Okay, no worries. And now I've just created this discount. And now we have a discount here. This is scheduled, but you can also make it active. Depends on the date. I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching. I hope it saved you time. If you have more questions about Shopify, please let me know about this. If you have more questions. Thanks for watching.